Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the one-time and the subscription products inside Go High Level. So let's dive into the Go High Level first. So right now I am inside my Go High Level dashboard. The first thing is that we have to, move into the payments tab for the subscription. Then here you can see we have the subscriptions tab. So I will create a new subscription using this button. So there is a big confusion between the subscriptions and the invoices. So let me clear that confusion first. The thing with the invoices is that we have to send that manually or through automated ways. If we have created some automations, that is the way, and the other way is that we have to send the customer by manual procedure. So what subscription does is that it automatically deducts the amount from the customer bank account. And this is like, when we purchase some API. For example, we purchase API from OpenAI. So what happens is that at the end of each month, after each expiration, it renews automatically. So the client do not have to pay after every month manually, or we don't have to send them a separate invoice to ask them that, hey, dear customer, kindly pay your dues. So this is a big difference, that subscriptions are deducted automatically, but the invoices are sent by manual or through some procedure which we have created. So this is where we have to add the customer. For example, I add this customer and I can select the start date and the so I can select, for example, 25 and add some product. Monthly, I can also add some coupons, but that's another uh, in that is discussed in another video, the coupon code. But this is all the major or the main overview of the subscription. So that's from my side. If you want to learn more, keep following this page and see you in the next video.